Welcome to season 11, episode 5.
Now keep watching because you'll be amazed at what we're going to be showing you. The property, the gardens, and what else it's got. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. Entertaining. Wow. Can you imagine friends round for a glass of wine in the winter? You got
always
the wood burner.
can, John, yeah.
Hey? Oh, yeah.
Lovely sized pool.
That's going to be 12 metres by 5 or 6 metres. This I know you love.
It looks very enticing, to be honest.
Oh, that's cold.
That's very cold. This is absolutely amazing. Fully equipped gym.
And tonight, as I said, we're visiting the Sardine Festival.